Alright, so before I get into this video, subscribe to my channel. I don't have a lot of subscribers and I need them so I can get this fucking YouTube money. So today I'm just going to show you guys my back to school shoes. Not really like BS. I'm just going to show you my shoes that I got for back to school and just tell you like my opinions on the shoes and like why I got them and shit. So first up, alright, so these are my Jordan 1 Game Royals, and honestly I just made them into Jordan 1 top 3s because the top 3 was the first shoe that I ever got, like that I paid my own money for, like from Foot Locker, and I sold it, so I figured why not do a custom. You see, like it's like blue because it's a custom, but I mean, I don't know, I just like to paint sneakers. It helps with like my anxiety, so I mean, yeah. I actually was gonna throw these out after I was done, but I mean, shit, like look, I did really good on that Wings logo, so I was like, fuck it, like might as well keep them. They look just like the top 3s. I mean, Jordan 1s just, they look good when you beat them up, and honestly, I'm trying to get these to be like those LA to Chicago's where like I wear them for a while and like all this shit starts to like peel off a little bit, then it's like, oh shit, those are Jordan 1 Game Royals under there. But yeah, that's why I got these. I can wear these like all year. They go with a lot of stuff because they're like mix match, because they're not supposed to go with your outfit, so they go with every outfit, you know what I'm saying? So it's, I don't know, it's just, it's one of those things really. And plus, like, if you paint shoes to look like other shoes, or you paint shoes to make them look like crazy, you can be like, yeah, these are some fucking samples, or yeah, I'm rich. But like, nah, like these are my Game Royals. Like I got them used, I painted them, and now they look like these $500 what are the Jordan 1 top 3s. Let's get to the next shoe. Alright, so these are the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner OG, and the reason I got this shoe is because, I mean, fuck, I've had these shoes a lot. Like I got these, I got the first pre-order, I got the second release, I got the last release. Like I've gotten all these, and I always resell them because I mean I was making pretty good money on each one, you know what I mean? But I got these for $250 used off of eBay, and they look just like the other new pairs that I have, so they're legit. I just got these because these ones are like boats. Like my feet are like all fucked up from basketball, track, and just I have naturally like bad arch support, and these ones are like boats. They're so comfortable. They're pretty nice too. Like I always like break necks and shit, and people are like, oh, but I don't know. Like they're pretty nice. And a lot, like this whole thing was like all fucked up right here, but I just painted black. Like I just used some acetone and just painted black over it, and I mean they look a lot better than they did. Let me know if you guys want to see a video ever on just how to like remove all the creases and stuff from here, cause I got you. But yeah, these are just comfortable shoes. They go with a lot of outfits, and I really like them a lot. Recommend these. Okay, these are my Air Max 97 South Beaches. I fuck with this shoe. I got this as soon as it came out, but I didn't really wear it a lot because I kind of felt like weird about wearing like a pink shoe all the time. But I mean, I really like wearing it. I've beaten them up a lot so far, and I mean, it just goes with a lot of stuff. Like it goes with black pants, gray pants, blue pants, any hoodie. I mean, it's hoodie season right now. I mean, I'm wearing like jackets and shit. It's cold in PA right now. But I mean, yeah, like these go with a lot of stuff. I like them. People are always complimenting me on these, like more than any other shoe. Like if you want people to compliment your shoes, like if that's gonna make your day a little better, like people complimenting you, you want a little smile on your face, I would say Air Maxes, because everyone knows what an Air Max is. You're not looking like an asshole walking around in some fucking like $900 Balenciagas. Like no one's gonna compliment you for that. But these are just like, it's a simple shoe and it's nice, bro. Like. And it's like unique. If you guys want to be unique, just like the colors that pop, you know what I mean? Because not a lot of people want to pop. I mean, most people just want to be background characters, but I mean, I like these. Just a little step up from like a normal shoe. And let me get to like the last shoe. I have two more shoes. I can show you the other one, but I don't really wear that much. Alright, these are the Air Monarchs. I got these at the same time as the Yeezy, just because like, I mean, Yeezys are flex. And these are just like, you know, like I'm looking like a dad, you know? And I mean, fuck it, like I don't care looking like a dad. But I mean, these are like boots, once again. They're just comfortable as shit. Unless you're wearing them for too long, then like your feet kind of get sweaty and it's like it's nasty. But I mean, this color, it's like, I don't know, like that creamish kind of grayish white, and the orange makes it so like it pops a little bit, and like because it's orange, like it goes with more stuff just because like it pops a little bit, and because it's like this color too, like it goes with anything. You can wear these anytime. You can wear this with a suit, probably. I don't know, but I don't know. This is a shoe that's like super cheap right now too. I think it's like $50 in Foot Locker. I got it for $40 at the outlets. It's just a nice shoe. I like it a lot. Alright, so I know these look like fake Justin Timberlake 3s with like the swoosh and the red back tab, but these are just another custom I did. I did these on my Tinker 3s, and I mean, they're not perfect custom, but I mean, none of my customs are perfect. I'm not that, like, I'm good at it, but I don't have the patience to be like perfect. I didn't mix like the gray good, but I mean, it's whatever. I mean, I just like these shoes because like I did it, and like I know I did it, and people compliment me, and it's like, shit, like I really just made that ugly ass Tinker 3 fucking popping, you know what I mean? I mean, Tinker 3s are going so below retail. This is like, this colorway is going for like 500 or something. It's a white cement, you know. I've always wanted white cement 3s. I made it myself. White cement 3s are good. 3s are so comfortable, and like the more you rake them in and stuff, like the better they'll look. These are gonna look bad the more I wear them in though, because they're painted. But any Jordan 3, just get Jordan 3s. They're nice. Like any color too. Like even the mochas, like no one was really like fucking with the mochas. The mochas are alright. People are gonna think that they're white cements a lot of time. People don't really know anything about shoes. I mean, they're nice. I mean, any Jordan 3 is nice. Any shoe that you get for back to school is nice, because at the end of the day, if you got the shoe, that means that you like it. And I mean, that's all that matters. Like, I'm not like buying like all these Yeezys and like these like hyped ass Jordans just to like wear because other people like them, you know. Like I mean, I like them. I like all the shoes that I got. And if you guys like the video, just subscribe please, because I mean, I'm trying to buy these books for college. Like, they're expensive. One of my videos has like 700,000 views. I didn't get any money for that. I got like $80 once from YouTube. Then as soon as my video got 100,000 views, they were like, we can't give you any more money to get 1,000 subs. So it's whatever. But I hope you guys are having a good day, and